This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Just one, I stay too close. You don't fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care why. Couple numbers I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting made. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child.
Let's get into the lace. The knots look bleached really good. Like the knots look like, what knots? Honestly, I don't see no knots. You see what I'm saying? Like, Unice don't play. The plucking, 10 out of 10. Like, it's so thin in the front, it looks so realistic. Like, do y'all see that? 5. It's pre-cut already, so we don't have to do too much cutting. We don't have to do no cutting at all. Jump scare, like, oh my god, y'all. I look like, who did it and why? Oh Lord. I'm going to start by spraying my hairline and pushing it out the way and getting it like sleek so it can like lay. So yeah. I think it's time to retire this one and get a new wig cap because this one got a hole in it, child. It's just been through a lot. Like, it's just time for a new one. So got that all pushed back. Now let's go ahead and put on this wig cap. Alright, so we got a new wig cap on. Got all the edges pushed back and out the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup all over this wig cap. And I'm gonna use this. I never used this before. But liquid foundation on the go. I might need to start keeping this in like my gym bag or something. Cause sometimes when I leave the house, I'm rushing and my lace be looking a little ashy when I leave out, and I don't be having time to, like, you know, go into my room, get the makeup, get the this is like so interesting. Anyways, don't be having time to, you know, sit down and put makeup on my lace and everything and then like melt it. So I do try to keep makeup in my bag whenever I just need to, like, you know, melt my lace on the go. And I like this. I like that this is easy. It's liquid foundation and it already comes with a little sponge, so you don't have to carry around a beauty blender or anything. And it's very small, compactable, so I probably would just throw this in my purse. And I feel like this could also be used as like a contour as well, because it's a little darker than my normal foundation shade, which is what I like for my lace, a little darker, especially when I'm melting lace that's like a little bit, you know, that's on the lighter side. I like to use shades that are like, you know, 2 shades darker than my normal complexion. So this is great. Okay, so boom, that's enough makeup. That's so fine. If y'all want to get this, that is what I just used. Maybelline Dream Cushion Liquid Foundation, Fresh Face Liquid Foundation on the go. So far, like, maybe it's Maybelline. Alright, so I got the wig right here and I'm gonna go in and put some makeup, actually the same one I just used, now onto this lace. Okay, makeup's on there. So now let's throw this on and see what it's giving. I'm noticing that the strap in here is different than the one that I usually get with my Amazon wigs. This strap, it just looks a bit different. It does the same thing. It's an adjustable strap with like the little jelly on it so that it doesn't move around, but it just looks a bit different, if y'all know what I mean. If y'all watched my previous Unice videos or ordered a wig from Unice, this strap does look a little different. And like I mentioned, this is like a 5 by 5, I believe, and usually the ones from Amazon are 7 by 5. So do take note of those differences. And let's just throw this on. Okay, let's see what she's giving, like straight out the box. What's it giving? Okay, you know, this is not bad at all. Like, okay, period. So let's get into it. Let me turn on my hot comb and I'm gonna wax this and just flatten this just a tad. Alright, so both sides are hot comb, super flat, and I love how flat it is, the way this looks. Like, this is about to be so fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these baby hairs, and I'm gonna cut them, curl them, and you know, I really want to see how this install is gonna look without any glue, because this is a glueless wig. So for now, I'm not gonna do any glue. I'm just gonna work on these baby hairs a little bit, and let's just see what it's giving, you know. And I'm gonna take my flat iron and curl these baby hairs. BRB. And then same thing over here. Okay, just a real cute little subtle widow's peak. So I'm taking my spray. Y'all, I don't know. I said that the previous Blendaway wig I had on was like, the curls are a little tighter, which I like my curls to be tighter. But these curls right here is looking really good. Like, compared to how I looked when I first got it out the box to after wetting it and detangling it and like defining the curls, these curls is looking real juicy and good. So we finna see how this dries. I'm getting really excited. So let me do this side, BRB. So I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse and put this here on the top, so that this can just stay flat and in place like how I like it. And all there's left to do now is really to let this hair dry. So before I lay down my edges and whatnot, I am going to let this hair dry. And while this hair dries, I'm going to do my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all the final look. So don't go nowhere. Stay tuned to see how this hair dries. Like, yeah, so BRB. Alright, so my makeup is done, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay down these baby hairs, taking my Fantasia holding spritz spray, super hold spritz hairspray. I'm just gonna spray some of this on the brush for now, and then go in very gently. Alright, same thing to this side. These curls are just turning out so freaking pretty. Like, I'm in love right now. Like, I just love some water wave hair. Like, ugh, literally love it. Alright y'all, so that is the final looks of this water wave hair, and I absolutely love the texture of this hair. Like, I just love how it looks. I love how the ends kind of just curl up around themselves. I love the fullness of this hair, and this hair is still drying. It's still damp in some parts, so it's going to dry even a little bit more full and like voluminous. And I just love the curl pattern on this hair, y'all. Like, seriously, I love how easy and quick the closure is. I love how it came. So I don't have anything bad to say about this hair, y'all. Like, everything, I just love it. So definitely click the link down below to shop this unit, and make sure y'all subscribe for more content like this and more. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.